Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k cubed divided by k square is equals to 0, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here in the first method, we need to make the factors of k cubed and k square. And you know about that, the factors of k cubed means that we multiply k with k 3 times. In the same pattern, the factors of k square are k multiplied by k, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here, this k and this k are gone, this k and this k are also gone, and we obtain here in the left hand side we get k is equals to 0. So this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k cubed divided by k square is equals to 0. This is our given question statement, and now here in the left hand side we substitute the value of k equals to 0, and when you put it here it will becomes 0 cubed divided by 0 square is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we have 0 cubed becomes 0 and 0 square is also becomes 0, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, you see here in the left hand side we have this is the 0 over 0 form, or in other words we call that it is the indeterminate form. So if this is the indeterminate form, we say that our left hand side is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, so we can conclude about that the value of k equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that the value of k equals to 0 is called the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further you see here we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method. And in the second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is k cubed divided by k square equals to 0. And here we solve this problem from second method, and in the second method we just use the nice exponential rules. You know about that if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So here if our m is greater than n, then you move this n towards m, because we move our lesser exponent towards the greater exponent. Okay, now you compare these two exponents, you see here 3 is greater than 2, so that we move this 2 towards 3, and it will be written as k to the power of 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. So further we have k to the power of 3 minus 2 becomes k equals to 0. So this is the final value of k which we get here in the second method. But in the first method we again get the value of k is 0, and we already verified that the value of k equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if k is not satisfied, we call that it is the extraneous root of the given equation. So if this is the extraneous root, it means that we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution. So this is the our final answer of this question or final conclusion of this problem. And I hope so you like this method, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos.